Welcome to RestoredLifeAfter.com. You didn't land here by accident. You're here for a reason. Just below, you'll find our Restored Weekly video, a message designed to uplift you, to strengthen you, to remind you that no matter where you are in life, you can rise. Then, step into our daily thoughts. Every single day, a new message of truth and inspiration. Messages like, step into purpose with faith today. Simple, powerful, meant to meet you exactly where you are. Then visit our restoration stories, real people, real moments of survival, faith, and transformation. From everyday heroes who overcame the impossible to the most powerful story ever told, the final 24 hours of Jesus Christ. Stories that don't just inspire you, they stay with you. And don't miss our restoration apparel, t-shirts, hoodies, and caps, each one carrying a message. Not just something you wear, but something you stand for. Broken and restored. This world can feel dark, but there is still light. And here, you'll find it. Come back daily, stay connected, and let this be your place of strength, truth, and restoration. Thank you for visiting RestoredLifeAfter.com.